in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Bluetooth is not working or being detected on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for troubleshoot. Best result, should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side, select additional troubleshooters, and then underneath get up and running, you just keep scrolling down. There should be a section that says find and fix other problems. Select Bluetooth and then run the troubleshooter for that. Make sure your devices are discoverable on your network, and then go ahead and run this utility here. Hopefully it would resolve the problem. And you can see just our device doesn't have that ability, but most computers should. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.